These are the Bosch GSS Professional Orbital Sanders, available in two models, the GSS 230, which is a third sheet, and the GSS 280, which is a half sheet size. You cannot beat the controllability of a conventional orbital sander for really fine finishing, and these models incorporate some unique features that really enhance their performance. Bosch has addressed the inherent problem of vibration with this type of sander, and each one now proudly carries the vibration control logo. These now have the lowest vibration levels for sanders in their class, with levels reduced to 2.5 meters per second. This generates less fatigue in the user and means they can be used on a continuous basis without the need for a break as required by current EU health and safety regulations, and this makes them much more productive. This vibration control has all been achieved by decoupling the handle section from the main housing. In addition, all the areas you are likely to hold, like the handles and the motor top, are covered with a soft grip material, which makes it even more comfortable to use. The removable front handle on both GSS models provides a more positive grip, but you can easily remove it if you need to get into a tight corner. These are definitely trade tools, weighing in at 2.45 and 2.75 kilos, so it's very important that this grip and balance is correct. There's a significant difference in base area between 1/3 and half sheet sizes, and this is reflected in the motor sizes. The GSS 230 has a 300 watt motor and the GSS 280 has a 350 watt motor, so you have plenty of power even under load, and they're both available in either 240 or 110 volt options. The variable speed allows you to vary the stroke rate from 16,000 to 22,000 strokes per minute. It's this smaller orbital movement compared to a random orbit sander that makes these tools better for fine finishing. On the GSS models, the eccentricity is just 1.2 millimeters, and hence the oscillating circuit is 2.4 millimeters, which is probably about half that of a random orbit sander. This means that the stock removal rate is less, but it's more controllable, so you can safely work on delicate surfaces like veneer. Also, you can sand into rectangular corners, which you can't with a random orbit sander. A lock-on button makes continuous sanding much more comfortable. Dust collection is excellent on these sanders, thanks to the Bosch microfilter dust box. This is cylindrical, making it very easy to fit, and, more importantly, it's easy to empty without spilling the contents, as the dust is held back by an internal baffle. The internal filter cartridge can be removed for cleaning, and being translucent, you can see exactly when the box needs emptying. Although the dust box is remarkably efficient, you may prefer to use external extraction, but this is easy, as a hose just pushes on, and you don't need any special adapters. The dust extraction works through holes in the base, and for this to work efficiently, you will need to buy pre-punched abrasive sheets. However, for economy, many trade users will prefer to buy their abrasive in rolls and cut it to suit, so a punch is available to make the necessary holes. Fitting the paper is another greatly improved feature on the GSS models. On these sanders, a large rear clamp makes it easy to load the first end of the paper, whilst the front clamp tensions and then grips firmly. It's very quick and effective and ensures a perfect fit every time. Like all Bosch professional tools, these sanders are supplied with 4 meters of cable, so you shouldn't have to mess about with extension cables. Both models come in a stacking L box that you can build into a modular system for transport or storage around the workshop. These are definitely trade tools, sanders for professionals who need fine finishing. The low vibration levels and the soft grip makes them a real pleasure to use, even for long periods, and the dust extraction is particularly impressive. These sanders are proudly made in Switzerland, the Bosch GSS Professional Orbital Sanders. Don't forget to register the tool online within 4 weeks of purchase to increase the warranty to 3 years. And then, why not join the Bosch online Bob community to get help and feedback from other professional users? And while you're online, visit the Bosch Professional Facebook page. Click on the Build It with Bosch icon and watch Bosch professional tools being used to make a variety of useful projects for which you can also download the plans and the material lists.